Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. We begin this segment with our Primetime News follow-up as TVJ News has learned that the victims who were shot up while leaving the Meadowest Memorial Park in Spanish Town, St. Catherine last evening were threatened not to attend the burial or they would be attacked. We also learned that the attackers are no strangers to the victims. TVJ's Kirk Wright has the report.
These are the victims of Thursday's gun attack on mourners leaving a burial at Meadowest Memorial Park in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Gunmen fired shots at the bus they were in, hitting 7 people. Tracy Sr. and Onika Carter did not survive. This teen is among the other 5 who were injured. He was shot in the back and buttocks. My information is that people were told that was likely to happen, that the funeral was going to be shut up. Is that true? Did you hear that rumor?
Yeah, that rumor been spreading around, you know. Rumor been spreading around. But you don't know, the whole, as I'm telling you, the whole everyone grew up. One another. So that member, the family member that dead, that member that dead, the whole of we born, grew up. So you don't want to pay your last respect. You get what I mean? Regardless of what, you want to pay your last respect. You see it?
Gang violence in central Kingston has been causing several deaths and injuries. But police sources say Thursday's attack was an internal gang feud. Sources also tell us the shooters are from George's Lane, which is the same area as the victims. On Friday, we visited George's Lane where Onika lived. When we arrived, her relatives were sitting outside, still dazed from Thursday evening's shooting. Her father and brother said she was shot 7 times.
I don't feel like I made them start to come kill. But if them come kill me and leave me, pick me alone. You know what I'm saying? But if them kill me and leave me that alone, I don't do them nothing, I don't do them nothing neither, but if them kill me.
Inside her house, her dresser was still packed with clothes she will never wear again. A picture of her daughter was still on the mirror. Onika's brother admits gang conflict is affecting the area and said on Thursday he was bashed for preaching peace.
Early on, some look of fiction are going talking and some look on them and tell them, say, why everybody don't come together and done this thing? Like everybody we are war, who know them one another, friend and friend. Who tell me for say everybody start cussing me, say me a pick side.
Really?
Really?
That don't sound like it making any sense to me.
Yeah, I tell them, them say me a pick side. It's almost a pick side when me I say everybody know them one another, them come together and done this thing.
The council of the Raytown division in which George's Lane falls, Rosalie Hamilton, says action needs to be taken to stem what's happening in central Kingston.
I don't think it reached a stage now where there should be any talk about peace. I think it reached a stage now where the police need to do them job.
The police would say to you, what do you mean by, but we are doing our jobs, we are patrolling, we are keeping the peace. What do you mean by the police should do their jobs?
If I was the police, I would do more investigations. I would do a lot of ground investigations and then I would take it from there. Because if you patrol every day and you don't know why you're patrolling, it don't make sense. You have to know exactly what you want, what you are targeting, and then you get it done.
The police have been in the area patrolling and have even established fixed locations at strategic spots. But Miss Hamilton is not convinced it's working.
I wouldn't say not making much sense, it don't have any impact.
We tried to find the home of the other woman who died in the shooting, but had no success doing so. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.